Uh-oh. Looks like Mary Kate broke into Ashley. Oh, basic scuba. Fun. Or not.
It's your life.
It could be our life, of course. Do you think we should take a class together next semester?
Why didn't I think of that?
You're such a smart guy, though. I bet you're full of good ideas. My boyfriend from high school never thought of anything like that.
Your high school boyfriend?
Grady. He never initiated, especially in my apartment.
Like what?
Oh, I don't know. Like our first date, our first kiss.
You were saying?
Well, I was the one who was always pushing things forward, you know, and then finally
Right. Not like ours where we held hands and kissed the first night.
Exactly.
It's funny because before you mentioned it, I was thinking we should take a class together.
You're scared, Angel 501.
Dale, I'm right here. Promised I'd leave you guys alone until 10, but look, here it is, 10:20. I do not appreciate you taking advantage of my good nature. My interpretation was that you'd actually leave the room. There's 2 names on that door. Go read them.
Fine, I actually have to read somebody else. So you walk in class in the morning?
I was just going to suggest that. Yes, I was going to suggest that. Stop by anyway.
How's the mess there? Have you seen the surface buildup? There's mold growing on mold.
It never bothered you?
Gostou do leãozinho, meu amor? Gostou?
Actually came to get your advice on something.
Você gostou do leãozinho, é?
The L word.
É bonitinho o leãozinho?
Makes you think she's a little
Ele tá olhando pra você, tá? É, ele tá te vigiando. É, pra você não fazer bagunça. Se você fazer bagunça, ele vai te morder. Aí, uau, 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 pegar neném, uau, 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 uau. Ele vai pegar neném, vai pegar Yasmin, uau, 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 uau. Que foi? Se assustou? É. A nenenzinha mais linda da mamãe. Cadê a nenenzinha mais linda da mamãe? É, mamãe. Oh, mamãe. É, mamãe.